Meet the Crawford OH1082P. It's beautifully engineered and highly insulated. Fully 82mm thick, the Crawford OH1082P delivers exceptional thermal separation for your business. That means minimal energy loss for maximum savings. And with a U value of just 0.46, the Crawford OH1082P doesn't just save you money, it also meets the latest building regulation insulation requirements. 82mm of insulation and broken cold bridge means temperature differences cannot pass from one side to the other. Tight, efficient double seals eliminate drafts and condensation, keeping your indoor climate comfortable and your workplace productive. The Crawford OH1082P has the same aesthetic as the Crawford OH1042P and the Crawford OH1042S, so you can combine all three doors, configure them exactly how you want them, and ensure that your building looks good even at the back. The Crawford OH1082P, beautifully insulated for energy efficiency and big savings. For more, visit ASSAabloyentrance.com.